You still dey stress yourself dey powder. Where Ayoola Poundo Yam flour dey? Oh yeah, make una follow me make this Nsala soup and poundo yam. First of all, season your protein with uyaya, pepper mix, some crayfish, some seasoning powder. Then add water inside this one, cover am. Once you don cook, next thing, add enough water where you go use cook the soup. Add your fish, add your crayfish, extra crayfish, and you come add your spice, your pepper soup spice, cover am. You see that Ayoola powder flour? Now I pour water, I come mix am, pour am inside this mixture. You see say my soup don already thick. I no pound any extra yam. I come add uziza. Now this one sweet me pass. Una see say Ayoola don change their poundo yam flour pack. Now the pack dey stand gidigba. I feel like throw am from heaven, e go stand. E mean say e dey easier to store. Now mix your Ayoola powder yam flour with water. Once you don mix am, pour that mixture inside boiling water. Then you go come turn am. See as e dey easy to turn. I no dey pound, dey sweat. Once e don thick like this, oh yeah, add water join am. Then you go cover am. Trust me, this whole process e no take more than 5 minutes. Oh yeah, mix am properly. See as e dey easy. See as e smooth. See as e fresh. Hey, pounded yam don to reach this one. Oh, if you no like how, I go give you back your money. First go try am. Ayoola Foods. Thank you. Una bye bye.